Hi guys, I thought I should put together a video demonstrating the BABOK in Excel. This product is available on the website babuddy.ca as a standalone product. It is included within the course materials for any of the live or on-demand courses available on the website. I created this product when I was studying for the CCBA examination. I enhanced it further when I was looking for the CBAB designation. It helped me a lot. I used it as a flashcard. I used it as a tool to test my memory, to relate to things on a high level, and I thought this would help you guys as well. This tool gives you a high level overview of what the task consists of, what the inputs are, what the outputs are, and so on. So we'll take a look at it. Let's see if I have to look at the task details for business analysis, planning and monitoring. Let's look at Plan B information management. I choose it from the drop down option and it gives me everything related to it, what the inputs are, the elements involved in this particular task, what the guidelines and tools are, the techniques, the stakeholders, and what the output that can be expected from this particular task. What we also have here is an ability to cross-reference the guidelines and tools against any of the tasks. So let's say within strategy analysis, you have to see which task or tasks uses design options as their guideline. You choose that from this drop down and you get define change strategy as the task using this particular guideline. What we also have here is the ability to cross-reference stakeholders against tasks. So let's say if I have to see how many of the tasks use operational support as the stakeholder, we click on it, we choose it from the drop down option, and there you go. These are all the tasks within the BABOK which need operational support as the stakeholder. So there you go. That's all I have for this video.